Hey guys, BigT Trades here, and this is the second day of this trading week. So let's get straight into the video. Hope you enjoyed. We are now on the live charts, and I have taken the first trade of the day already. The clock is 4:09 UTC -5 at the New York time. So this is the first trade in the London session, and I've shorted British pound to the US dollar, and I shorted it just around here. And I'll be looking to target this level here with my stop loss up above like this. The reason why I've shorted is because we have taken out this high now, and I saw this candle here go down, so I thought that we might have hit an area of resistance, and but we also have a fair value gap up here, which could concern me. Maybe we'll go up to this area. I don't hope we do, but I think this is a good trade because we see some resistance here and a break of this high. I also looked at the dollar, and we might see the turn because we have now broken a lot of equal lows. Like you can see here, all of these lows here have just been taken out this, so I think we might get a bit higher, maybe out to this area, just right above. So that's my thinking process. And we also have a fair value gap here we might get up to. So when the dollar goes up, the GDP USD tends to go down. So let's hope for that in this scenario. I will update you later if I see something new or the trade goes good or bad. This is just a quick update on how it's going. We can see that this area here is consolidating, and we haven't seen a clear move to the down or the upside yet. So yeah, and I also see the dollar, it went up to this area and this fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame, which I also thought it would, and now we can see it has seen a lot of resistance. So if we don't break out to the upside and we break out to the downside, then I might be looking to get out. It was just a quick update from here. I haven't seen anything else yet. I'll update you once I see something more. Yeah man, I just closed both my trades because I saw we had news. I didn't really know it. We had news at 5 a.m. New York time, and I didn't know it. It was news from Germany, and it impacted a bit, but not that much. We just saw this huge push down, so I look to get out of my trades when I see news, because you don't really know what's gonna happen, and it's a very volatile, so you can get stopped out very easily if the news is high impactful news. But now we can see we are balancing fine again, and we are going up to this area again. So yeah, that's unfortunate. I closed my trades in a little profit. I think I got like 12.5 pounds, which is okay, but it's unfortunate because I didn't know there was news coming. So moral of the story, fuck news. And I also wanted to tell that I'm taking a break now because I've sat in front of my computer for like 2 hours, so that's usually when I take a break, so I don't get tired in my head. Yeah guys, I'm back. I think it's like 1 hour later or something. Yeah, I'll be looking for a play on the gold now if I see what I want to see. We have our fair value gap here on the 1 hour time frame, like this, and on the 5-minute we can see that we have swept some swing highs, and we have this fair value gap down here. And if we look at the 1-minute time frame, we can see that we have done a microstructure shift right here, and we can be looking to get in at this fair value gap right here if it goes down to this point again, which it probably won't, or maybe it will, I don't know. If it does, I'll look to long it. We can also use this tool here and see if we are in a discount. We can see this fair value gap is under the 0.5 mark, which is discounted zone, so it's a good trade. So if we get down here, I would like to long it and put my stop loss right under this, and then I will look to target the fair value gap, and I'll probably take some partials along the way, but we will get a good 2.2 risk to reward ratio if we get down here. So that was just a quick update for me and what I'm looking for. and if we don't go down here, then I'll see if we could possibly short it from this zone, if we see some resistance. And here we are on the gold again, and as you can see, we didn't get down to this fair value gap where I wanted to enter from, so yeah, no entry for me. And you can see we hit up to this 1 hour fair value gap right now. We are up in it, so I don't think I'll be trading anymore today, and it's also a bit late in the London session, so I think I'll take a break for today, and we'll go over the spreadsheet and how I took the trades today and how much profit we made. So see you on the spreadsheet. This is how the spreadsheet looks. We took 2 trades today, as you can see, the 17th of January, which is our second day of this trading challenge. We took the first trade, which was the Swiss franc to the Japanese yen. That was our first trade. I didn't record this, so I'll explain it now. Yeah, this is the trade I took early this morning. I haven't explained it yet, so I would like to explain it now. The forex market in London session opens between 2 and 3 a.m. in New York time. So what I looked for was a rate, and I saw one right here. We rated and we made a high. And after that, we saw a market structure shift right here. Just market here. We saw a market structure shift. And then I looked for a fair value gap, which I saw right here. And that was my entry point. So you can see we went out, made a market structure shift, went up into this fair value gap, and that was my point of shorting it. So I shorted it from here, and then it went all the way down to this fair value gap here, where I took my profits around this area. I don't really exactly remember, but that was my first trade of the day. I didn't really record it live, and I'm sorry about that, but yeah, that's it, and I hope you understood the explanation. Yeah, and now we are back on the spreadsheet, and the second trade, which was the GBP USD, which I showed in this video earlier, how I took it and where I took it. We made 12.77 GDP from that trade, and that makes us up a total around 20 GDP today. So our new account balance is 1056.83 GDP of day 2. So we made around 2% today, which is a fine day in my opinion, because we didn't really have that many setups and I didn't execute correctly sometimes, but it is what it is. I would like to say thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this series so far. I'll post another video tomorrow, and that was it for me. BigT Trades here, and I'm out. Bye.